How to change the default phone app dialer on your Infinix Hot 30 phone. Okay, so you install another dialer and you want to switch it to the default dialer now. Go ahead and go into these settings. To change the default dialer, use the quick panel access. Pull it down at least once until you see that settings icon up here. And once in this section here, you can use the search settings. Go ahead and type in the words default. So you'll start typing it in, default. And then you'll see default apps, this one right there. And once you're in this section here, it'll tell you where to go next. You'll see default apps again, and you'll be taken to all the default app settings. You'll go to the phone app here, right there. And once you're here now, you will see the different ones that you have installed on your phone. And of course, only compatible ones will work. So when I tap here now, in some cases, it may ask you to restart your phone. And once you do that, it should be your default dialer from here on. Like and sub.